Hello, this is Uptown Swing. My name is Val, and we did improvisation. And these are the things that we did. There was this interesting exercise in the beginning where I just played some music and I had you all just walk. Ba, ba, ba. Slows, or throw some quicks there. Slow some redirects. Pa, pa, pa. You can walk backwards. You can redirect and walk forward. If you had room, you could do some turns. Yeah, so just explore different ways of doing that. Then we also threw in some triple steps. Boom, pa, pa, boo, ba, da, pa, 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 pa. And during this whole exercise, which, you don't have a lot of options, you're just moving in space, I ask you to pay attention to music and actually get that inspiration from music. Then we threw in some moves into the mix. Simple moves with a name, classic ones, like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, like boogie drop. Pa, 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 ba-do, pa, pa. Or Alleluia. Pa, 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 do, pa, do. So we started with those three and we added them into the whole walking thing. So we did boom, bam, 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 boo, ba, 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 ha, ha. And so on. So you start to mix them up into your walking. We added 3 more moves. I'm not gonna show them now. And then we started playing around with timing of those moves. So for example, you are used to doing box step like this, but what if we sped it up and mixed slows and some triple steps in there too. Boom, pa, do, ba, da, pa, pa. So we did that with all of those moves. I also showed you a triple step within Shorty George, for example. And one thing you can do it is, for example, take an 8-count basic. So you have 8 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, where you already know the rhythm, you already know the shape. Now you just combine them in a way where you probably haven't combined them yet. We did a bunch of other things. It was kind of like exploration of movement and music, but with things that you already know. And that's what we did.